More than 2 months into covering the floods, Channel 4 News had grown bored of seeing reporters in wellies doing pieces to camera, so we thought we'd try something different. We sent a drone up to get another perspective on the floods. And yes, we still got our science editor Tom Clark to do a piece to camera in wellies, but doesn't this one look much cooler? The day started bright and early in Staines, with cameraman Jason Farrington and expert direction from science producer Nick Scott Plummer.
Key thing, gents, is to make it not look like a helicopter, whatever you think is better. Whatever makes it look like a drone, not a helicopter, is what we want from the shots.
After some precarious plank walking, we were ready to fly. Camera work by Tony, the drone is piloted by Dean.
It's called a hexacopter. I built it myself. It's got a fully stabilised 360-degree camera mount, so you get perfectly stable footage whilst in the air.
And it's thanks to that mount that we were able to get shots like these. And these. And fly under a bridge, like this.